episode. There's nowhere to go. Oh no, you made a choice, and now it's up to me to bow out gracefully. Although you hold the key, but baby, whenever you call me, I'll be there. Whenever you want me, I'll be there. Whenever you need me,